Okay, so we are going to use the black waterproof eyeliner pen. I'm going to use that on the top to create a wing cat eye, and then I'm going to use the black eyeliner on the bottom along with some mahogany. But another trick that I like to do is putting it underneath. So up here, putting the black, and that makes your eye pop as well. So let's do that before we put on the liquid eyeliner. Ready? So I'll show you here. You see the difference? So underneath. And you can smudge it with a smudge brush. You can smudge, and it will come up to the top of the eye too. Or on the lid, I mean. There we go. Okay, so now liquid eyeliner. I guess I could do it here. I'm going to do it over here. I'm going to get a mirror so I'll have it here and I can look and then see you guys too. So I start in the corner of the eye, right next to the lash line. And then I also go this way. So I kind of go back and forth. It doesn't have to be a straight line. It's kind of little dashes all the way across. And close to the lash line. So starting here, going over, and then I'm going to go up a little bit. I like to go up, and then I like to come back. So I create a little cat eye, however big I want that, a triangle, little cat eye, depending on the shape that I want. And it's always going up. You want to draw your eye up, not down. Okay, ready? Other side. So starting in the center, keeping close. I think it's about time for me to get a new pen, but we're gonna do this. Okay. Now let's do the black on the bottom. Again, starting here, going over. And you can start here light, and then you can make it darker here. There's all different kinds of ways you can do your eyeliner on the bottom, depending on the shape of your eye and how you want it to look. So hers is a little bit thinner, just real thin right at the corner, and then thicker out. So again, staying on the lash line. And I'm not going to color the waterline black. Actually, to make that pop, you can use, I'm going to use crystalline, and I'm going to put just a little bit with the smudge brush, because I haven't used that one yet. With the smudge brush. And you can put that right here to make it pop. See how hers has the white right there.